Well, I, for one, am super thrown off. I thought I had been here before, but I pulled up and I was like, this does not look familiar. I'm at Apple Hill Antiques, somewhere in Pennsylvania, outside Bellefonte, or however you pronounce it. It's not just Ohio, I can't pronounce the names. So I'm excited to go in and check this place out. Holy cow, that's beautiful. This sterling overlay is really pretty. Creamer and sugar. The little, wow, that's really pretty. Nappy bowl or nappy dish, and the little shell box. Yeah, this is a nice surprise. I have not been here before, even though I thought I had. A little collection of black glass. Not little, a lot of black glass. Okay, now we're talking. First of all, check out that clock. That's amazing. But over here, lots of Bakelite. 3 shades of green, $49. This thing's so neat, though. This unusual lucite sculpture. That's definitely my favorite thing I've seen so far. It's unique. I love unique. We love unique. Let's see, interesting bowl there. Some Tenala salt and pepper shakers. And this is a really pretty enamel over copper piece. This is a neat one too. Check this out, Blanco. It's a little spendy. This is a gorgeous glass bead necklace. Lots of bangles. But today I'm looking for something different. I love that enamel over copper brooch. Yeah, some really different stuff. This cat face, that's so fun. Wow, look at these. These are so cool, the 1920s and 1930s swimsuits. Although I must say, this is clearly my favorite up here. The little framed sunsuit. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. That's interesting. The tin litho groceries advertising list. That's neat. And then the paper ghost. Some early books. I love the graphics on those. Buttons. What's in this case? I'm intrigued. As you guys might have heard or may not have, I've been getting super into mourning jewelry. So I'm keeping my eyes out for pieces. I've definitely been listening to a lot of information about it. It's very fascinating. Now this is gorgeous, this Victorian Sailor's Valentine Shell Art Dress-Up box. Oh my gosh. Well, I see something. I see this in Pulley, but it's actually this. Oh my gosh. The dog and the cat. That's so fun. I love the cat, obviously. I'm partial. Blendo. One of the most underrated glass things ever. That and Morgantown glass, if you ask me. Some interesting steins. Are these Beatles marbles? They are. Oh my gosh, how unique is that? Now that's pretty. And green vase back there. Wow. That's only $49. And this, this Gaudy Dog Butterscotch. It says napkin ring, but it looks like a ink blotter. $35. That's actually a pretty good deal if you ask me. And these cute little tiny art glass faces. Probably West Virginia. Look like they might be Ron Hinkle, but I'm not sure. Well, they have a lot of coins and a lot of records. And a shopping cart full of pool balls. Look at all the vintage glasses. How fun. Oh, I love these. No way. It's the bagel salt and pepper shakers. It's missing. It's supposed to be on a stand, and there's multiple ones. If you find the whole thing, they sell for super good money. There's a lot of really great things in this booth. I like this with the rainbow glass. It's missing its stopper. Oh my gosh, I just looked behind me. Holy cow. Look at all of this. This place is way bigger than I thought. Now I'm curious what the one I went to was. It was around here. The Mary Gregory vases are beautiful, even though I'm not a big Mary Gregory person. I appreciate how finely detailed they're painted. How cute is the little charm bracelet? Celluloid. $39 on that. And then here, the rabbits are fun, but it's this little piece of bimini glass. At least I'm assuming it's bimini. It's like paper thin. So pretty. And then over here is the Pocket of Christmas. $28 on the Santa mug. $15 on the... Oh my God, look at you. $28. He's fantastic. Some slag. Birds on nest. Some jewelry. Oh, I like this little shell cross. That's gorgeous. Is this a barrette? No, it's a pin. A lot of the old rhinestone barrettes I usually pick up. A peach. Stone peach. Seems important. 1940s lithograph, Cracker Jack, premium clown. That's freaking epic. And then here I see a lot of really pretty glass bead necklaces. Super dainty. Oh, and a brass seahorse. $12 on him. Or copper, excuse me. The micro mosaic ring back there. And then I see the gold, the Murano pendant is spendy, but the micro mosaic ring is only $10. Oh, you can't even see it. The tag's kind of covering it. And then down here, I love the strawberries or raspberries. Ooh. Let's see if I can see the price tag on this. I can't. I think I'm just going to go ahead and get a key. Oh gosh, I'm super zoomed in. I love that Murano necklace. And I see the lucite candles, but those are at $50 for the pair. How fun are these elephants? Oh my gosh. They're like plastic, made in Hong Kong, but I've never seen them in that colorway. And this like cake butter knife or cake server. Yeah, cake server. That is so pretty. Oh wow, look at this Napco set. Salt shaker. I guess they're each. That's unusual. $25 on the serving dish. That's actually not bad. Oh wow, I just looked behind me. There's like a lot of epicness happening in each direction. Super into this. Oh, look at the tool Santa. That's too funny. Yeah, this is the shelf I caught a glimpse of. See the fuzzy ceramic cat. He's at $30. That's about what those go for. Some really great stuff in here. And look, a whole little section of dollhouse miniatures. But what's more interesting to me is all these early ornaments. Look at all of them. They're spectacular. Oh my gosh, if I did a Christmas tree, I feel like I'd have to have two. I'd have to have one that was totally wild and one that was all super early ornaments like that. Some more great elves, all kind of close to where they need to be. And of course, the snake charmer girl, that's a good one. That's at $35, again, where it needs to be. Really fun stuff though. Oh, look at the celluloid flapper doll. I love the shelf sitters. On my way back to get a key for those cases with the jewelry, I saw the celluloid bellhop monkey. He's fantastic. Whoa, look at those beads. Those are wild. Oh gosh, that's gorgeous. I actually have a small version of that, so I can't be too jealous. I don't know if that's the right word. I don't think it is. And then here, this Dugan is really interesting with the honeycomb pattern on it. What is that? What is this? Czechoslovakia atomizer, $29. That's so cool. Some really interesting pottery. This is very cool. And so is that. Look at that. With the eggs. How much do they have on that? 49 Bennington pottery. That's an unusual one. Well, I've gotten some really interesting pieces of jewelry so far. I did get a couple of the micro mosaics and the Muranos with the pearls out of the case. Now I'm upstairs and I'm gonna turn the camera around. All right. Yeah, definitely never been here before, which is exciting. I'm just like really curious which one I did go to. Oh my gosh, the pineapple head thing. Vintage Humpty Dumpty. Oh gosh, Humpty Dumpty's hat fell off a wall. And thank goodness it did, because then I saw this case of jewelry that I wouldn't have seen probably. I love that micro mosaic. That looks like an older one. And then the cat print, like a woodcut. That's fun. So much tiny stuff. I love it. Yeah. Kind of got to pay attention in here. I like it. Some eggs. Everybody needs a good egg. See a couple paperweights here. That's different. And it's signed for $14. Can't tell if it's damaged or if it's just a weird bubble. I think it's just a weird bubble. That one's gonna come with me. These look Chinese imports. Yeah, but this I'll take. Epic lamp in the back there, very Hollywood Regency. Some fun wall art too. Vintage clothes. I love the petticoat. I used to wear petticoats like all the time out, like as an outfit. Also, shout out to this alligator hand puppet. Well, before I check out, I thought I'd give one better look over into this booth. I walked past again and I'm like, I feel like I'm missing something. It's very eclectic, which I like. I see this giant lucite paperweight. That's pretty awesome. That's only $10 with the flowers in it. I was kind of hoping it had a chenille bee trapped in it. That is pretty epic though. I guess that could be considered an egg. Well, the egg had just a little too much surface wear for me, but I am gonna pick up this flocked Santa that's only $8. Well, that was a fun shop. I saw a flyer in there for somewhere I've never been before, the Duncanville Antique Co-op. So let's go in and check it out. We only have a half an hour, but we're gonna make it count. I love this pottery head. But wait, look at you. Hi. Well, I seem to have made a friend here. I love the rhinestone E-brooch. That's super fun. I feel like there might be something epic hiding in here. Hi, how are you? We're like best friends now. Oh my God, the celluloid heart ring. That's amazing. I need to get a price on that. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see any prices. I'm not sure what the deal is there, but we're gonna find out. And then here, I just looked up. That's what I saw. Murano necklaces. All right, $15 each. Well, we'll take both. They're a little stuck on there. That's amazing. Well, I got the brooches. They were $5 each, or the ring and a brooch. Wow, this is really a pleasant place. I love that slag handkerchief face, but not as much as this. This is such great graphics. What is this? It's like a glass bathing beauty. $25 as is, super broken, but very cool. Probably the lid to something. Some great vintage glasses. Wow. Those ones are clearly my favorite. The clown switch plate, so good. It's missing part of it, but still, and it's got a couple cracks. I love switch plates. My mom used to say that books make a room, and I kind of feel like switch plates make a room. Oh my God, stop it. This lamp is only $15. This German weird clown needs to be rewired, but still. Oh, look at you. You're gonna have no price, watch. That sucks, because I love that. Let's see. I don't see a tag anywhere. I was kind of hoping to find one randomly astray. Definitely different. Holy cow, look at that thing. That's epic. Kind of scary, but very cool. Trying to turn it around slowly. I love this display case. Look at that. That's so cool. Now we're talking. Check out all the weird stuff. Funeral coach. Holy cow. Only $100 for that? Stuff like that is usually really expensive. That's a good deal for somebody. And then look back here. This hand-painted vase. That's gorgeous. Wedding dress. Very pretty. A pocket of Marilyn Monroe. This is very eclectic. I'm super into it. It's eclectic, but also seems all very me. Oh my God. $50. False eyes. Those are amazing. It's actually a really good deal. Look at the little perfume bottles. Gorgeous. And the Beatles brooches. That's unusual. I don't know what that is. Some really risque stuff in here. Animal teeth. Interesting. Wait, what's down here? I feel like it's going to be epic. I kind of want to get the eyes. Is that weird? I don't know if you can sell that on Whatnot. Or if it would sell. Oh my God, there's something in here. Oh my God, what is this? She's spectacular. Silken porcelain ballerina, 1750. She's spectacular. Look at that little change purse. That's so sweet. Ooh, look at this. Oh my God, no way. Please ask for assistance. I will. There's some really crazy things here. Sweetheart and Americana, 25 each. That's a really good one. I've actually looked at one of those online on the Bay. I've been following it for a while now. And it's like, there's one that's 75 and one that's 95. I think I'm going to go ham in this. For sure. Well, I got 2 of the Sweetheart pins and the glass beads. I love that Herbie Thomas. Herbie Thomas was the first glass artist that I admired. Now, she did warn me that I'm gonna really like it across the street, not 95 on the Fenton. So I am getting ready to head that way. Wow, that's pretty. The perfume missing the stopper. Look at that. Freaking Leah Stein, similar to the cap bracelet I wear, made in France. Love the checkerboard pendant. 110 is about what they go for. Oh my gosh, look at the horse. That's fantastic. This is perhaps one of the most special things I've ever seen. The chocolate. Oh my God. Oh, that is everything. I'm gonna remember that's here. Amazing. Now, I think I'm gonna turn my camera off and enjoy whatever the hell is across the street.